Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Shop My Stash full face tutorial on this look. So nothing new in here, I'm just going through my stash and figuring out some things that I wanted to use again, and this is the look I came up with. So if you want to see it, just keep watching. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with one of my favorites. This is the Luminous Silk from Giorgio Armani. I'm in the shade number 4. Concealer, I'm going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy. I used to use this all the time and I fell out of love with it. I want to fall in love with it again. I don't know why, but I do. And I talked about in my last Shop My Stash that every single one of my not currently being used concealers are way too light because that's how I used to wear my makeup. So I actually went and bought this in a new shade so I could try it again. This is in the shade Creme Brûlée. Yeah, I use Chantilly. That's what I felt like I needed. It's totally fine if you still do the really bright under eye. I feel like I look sick when I do that. I'm going to set that with my Becca Under Eye Brightening Powder, Stellium 785. I almost never use this brush on my eyes anymore because I only have 2 of them and I use it every single day to set underneath my eyes because it doesn't get itchy, scratchy like a natural hair brush. And it picks up the perfect amount of product. I love this brush for my under eyes. I love it. I always take this powder on my pores. I'm just pressing it in. And this will help kind of blur them because I like to use radiant powders on my face. Okay, not gonna lie, that looks really good. Maybe I'll start using this again. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola contour stick because I forgot to last time. And I like to take it on my brush and not directly on my face. So I kind of get it on. I'm sure I put too much, so I'm just going to lightly tap. To set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my By Terry Hyaluronic Powder, Stellium 974. I was recently asked if I can wear this underneath my eyes. It actually looks good underneath my eyes. But the thing is, it darkens. I don't know if you guys can see. Well, it probably looks lighter on camera. But underneath my eyes, it darkens it. I don't know why. Something weird has just happened. I don't know what's going on, but can you see that when I put the powder on, there's like a spot missing right here now. It's weird. And there's a little one on this side too. I'll go in with another bronzer and hopefully fix that. I don't know what happened. I'm going to go in with this Milani bronzer in the shade Dolce. It's number 9. It's the baked bronzer. Chanel powder brush. Let's see if I can even this out a little bit. It helped, but you can still see it. The blush I want to use, I don't see a name on it. It's from Burberry. It used to have like this gold overspray. It just says blush palette, complexion enhancing color. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. Linda Hallberg 310. And I'm going to highlight with this one from LA Girl. This is the Strobe Light Strobing Powder in 100 watt. 306 from Linda Hallberg, per usual. I'm buffing using my Candle Glow powder from Laura Mercier. Woo, dropping stuff. This one right here, it's in the shade number 1. Despite like my little bit of patchiness, like I think the blush helped with it a little bit, my skin actually looks really good. Now for my eyes, I'm going in with this guy here. This is the Master Palette by Mario. I don't even know what I'm going to do today, but I think I want to use this green. We'll see how it turns out. So Wave 227 and Lula, outer corner, and then as always, going to work this up as a transition shade. I'm not going to bring it all the way to this inner corner though. I want to keep it kind of smoked out on the outer half here. Goss number 19, just taking that same shade along the lower lash line. Again, leaving that little bit of space right here. I'm not bringing it all the way in. Wayne Goss number 18 and Bronx, that's that green shade. I'm starting on the outer half of the V and kind of just blending it towards the center, keeping the majority of the pigment on the outer half though. Blending it up into the crease. Just going to take my 227, no additional product, and go right around the edges of that. Fifth Avenue on a Sonia G Worker 2. I'm just going to kind of buff this on the inner corner, then start tapping over the green. Stellium 781, I'm going to take that shade underneath the lower lash line in that front part that we left blank. Same brush, and I'm just going to take a little bit of my highlighter I used on my face for the inner corner. I was going to add a little bit of Violetta to the lash line to deepen it up, but I kind of think I want to wear this softer, so all I'm going to do is go add on some mascara. For my mascara, I used my Mad Lash Mascara from the Balm. And then I went ahead and added on this lip cream, lip stain from Sephora. It's number 33. But I am going to top it off with a gloss. Next gloss is an oldie but a goodie. It is Marc Jacobs Sugar Sugar. Alright you guys, this is a final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.